Welcome back to the fourth episode in EGMG's newest mini-series, where we provide you with some solutions to some of those everyday problems you may be experiencing in your manufacturing plant. Now, last month, we discussed being prepared for the wear and tear that occurs to your valve parts and pump parts. This month, we are going to talk about everyday solutions, as in reducing your nightly cleaning tasks. We'll be also talking about the importance of CIP systems and how every CIP system is unique. There's really no such thing as a one-size-fits-all or a cookie-cutter CIP system. Although the systems, are going to use several common elements, they are different and built to your specific needs. And that's what Irish Grove Management Group is here to do. Help you design and implement the CIP system that you need today. So let's take a look here. We could just go back in history for a moment and talk about how the CIP system was actually first developed for the dairy industry to clean those dairy processing pipelines in the 1950s. Now, today, we are still using CIP systems, and they are advanced technological systems designed to be integrated into your specific process line. Now, advantages of CIP systems are going to include reduced cleaning time. You're going to have automatic cycles that will ensure that all of your parts are being cleaned every single time, which will then increase your productivity because there's not going to be a reduction of that downtime. Plus, a good point to make is with CIP systems, your employees are not handling those very harsh and dangerous chemicals as much. So it's simplified really the operation of cleaning. What we want to do here is just talk about the cycles and the different processes that are operated in the CIP system. So the cycles might include a pre-wash with various types of detergents or acidic washes, and then you're going to have some rinses. Now, these rinses can be a sterilization cycle or rinse where you're going to improve your extended shelf life of this product if it passes through the system. And there's also different sanitization cycles that can be used as well. So sterilization is also important in the pharmaceutical industry. So these systems can be used in the food and beverage, the cosmetic, the pharmaceutical industries, anything where you want a good, precise clean, this system would be great for you. Now, there are going to be different individual tank sizes and options, and these different tanks and options could be used for fresh water, caustic solution, or an acidic solution, maybe even reusable washes or rinses. So you're going to design your system based on your needs. So a single tank system is going to be ideal for a smaller facility and a smaller job where things aren't soiled very heavily. Good for those special systems as well that aren't frequently used as much. Now, a two-system tank is typically used, one for like a water, so a pre-rinse or a final rinse, and then one is going to be used for your detergent or your caustic solution. Now, these can be easily cart-mounted and mobile if your facility needs that. Now, you can get a three-tank system, and that's going to allow for a real deep clean, more cleaning options with these systems. So you could be running water, caustic solutions, acidic solutions, and these are common for quite a few different applications. It's going to allow you to pre-fill and preheat your solutions, which reduces your cleaning time, and then these caustic acid washes are going to be returned and be able to reuse depending on the amount of soil that happens to that system. And then lastly, there is an option of a four-tank system. This system is going to give you unlimited versatility and flexibility as well, because you're able to reuse solutions without really sacrificing the convenience. So you'll have some of these solutions ready to go, stored in these tanks and available for you. So just know the different options that are available when designing and planning your system. Now, it's also important to talk about how CIP systems will need pumps and heats. Pumps are going to be used to properly provide and transfer your flow and water pressure through your CIP system to all of your process lines. And what's great about EGMG is that we are partners with this process engineer a great process engineer from API, Advanced Process Integration, and we actually team up and we take into various considerations and factors such as the length of your CIP circuits, different types of the process and equipment that's going to be cleaned and used. So we are here to help you, and we have partnered with API to give you all of those benefits. Now, we talked about the pumps. We do need to mention the heating systems. So temperature is one of those 4 basic TACT principles in order to make sure that your equipment, process lines, and facility is getting properly cleaned. So we know we need to clean for the correct amount of time, the action and chemicals being used, along with the temperature. So you will need your temperature for this processing system. So elevating the temperature of your cleaning solutions is going to help increase removing that soil that is in your processing lines. It's going to remove it efficiently, and then you're going to be able to reduce your cleaning time as well as reducing those chemicals, because if you're going to run it hotter, you're going to be able to clean it more efficiently rather than wasting additional chemicals. So just know that those are also a major part of this planning process. So I want to thank you very much for taking your time to listen to this presentation. If you are in need of a CIP system, give us a call today. We are partnered with API, that Advanced Process and Integration, which has 29 years of experience in the sanitary process and systems integration industry. So there's our phone number on the screen, our website. Feel free to reach out to us today. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Goodbye.